Welcome to Knowledge Builder. Today's video is about marketing analytics. Examples of earned media. 1. Product reviews on YouTube, social media, or blogs. Reviews about your products or services call attention to your brand and let potential customers know about you. If they are positive reviews, they can lead directly to increased sales. Conversely, bad reviews can negatively impact your bottom line. For example, a technology blogger might try to review post on the top 10 apps of 2021 and include your recently launched mobile app. If that post is viewed and shared by tens of thousands of people, it can significantly boost your profits. 2. Media coverage of your products, services, brand, or events. When earned media comes as a result of press coverage, it will often be in the form of a direct reference to your business or brand. Just look at how much buzz the Tesla marketing strategy is generating with basically a $0 budget. But it's also possible for you to benefit from the same tangential incorporation in much the same way as you would with YouTube or social media posts. 3. Word of mouth recommendations. Word of mouth is yet another example of earned media. It's just as impactful as a Yelp review or tweet, and it's free. This type of earned media can be stimulated through social media and viral marketing. It includes day-to-day conversations between happy customers and others who are looking for a product or service like yours. One example of positive earned media through word-of-mouth recommendations is when people talk about your upcoming webinar and share it with their network of friends on social media. Examples of owned media. 1. Content marketing. SEMrush offers a wide range of useful tools for both SEO and content marketing. From basic keyword research to competitive analysis to their SEO content template tool. 2. Email marketing. Email marketing influences the purchase decisions of 59% of consumers. Not to mention, it's very affordable and provides continual access to prospects and customers. That is likely why 59% of marketers say email offers the highest ROI of any other channel. Examples of paid media. 1. Social media advertising. Back in 2018, the last time we have numbers, 78% of US consumers stated they had purchased products after discovering them on Facebook. Today, that number is likely higher. And it's one of the largest marketing channels available to your business. Facebook has almost 2.5 billion monthly users. Instagram has over 1 billion monthly users. Twitter has over 330 million monthly users. LinkedIn has over 260 million monthly users. Despite a large number of users, social media organic reach, the number of people who are likely to see a regular post from your business's social account, is extremely low. Facebook's organic reach is only 5.5%, for example, and other platforms are even lower. 2. Paid search pay-per-click advertising, PPC. If you want to reach a wide audience, PPC or paid search ads can be incredibly effective. Today, 71% of consumers begin their product discovery journeys with a search engine, and 74% use search engines for research, consideration, and purchasing. In short, the easiest way to reach 7/10 of your potential customers is to get started with search marketing. In the English-speaking world, the terms paid search and PPC are now mostly synonymous with Google Ads, as 88% of all searches are made on Google. Thank you for watching the video. Press the bell icon and stay tuned for the latest videos.